Tobacco kills. Tobacco companies should not be able to promote their products. Due to the various health risks and the underage kids tobacco ads influence, their harmful advertising should be banned. The use of tobacco products are bad for people and they should be avoided at all costs. According to the Arizona Department of Health, smoking is the leading cause of preventable death. Life expectancy in smokers is 10 years shorter than non-smokers and are more likely to develop heart disease, have a stroke, and get lung cancer. Now, I know the industry is protected by the First Amendment, but there is an exception. Because these companies have shown persistent efforts to target minors, they are a way for Congress to legitimately reduce the number of children using products, and according to the FDA, 3,000 kids under 18 begin using a day. That's 1 million a year. Their ban would not be breaching the First Amendment. Uh, Also, smoking has very little benefit, so why promote it? People over 21 each day make their own decisions, whether to buy or not to buy tobacco. It's ethically wrong to target non-smokers and minors, in my opinion. Also, secondhand smoke is scientifically just as dangerous, if not more, putting young kids and families at risk. One use can lead to years of addiction. Why try to promote and persuade someone to smoke? After hearing these 3 points, I hope you agree. Tobacco ads should be banned.